A mistake most couples make is neglecting their connection while solving a relationship problem. One partner will provide information about a frustration, and the other partner, perhaps after an argument, will implement a solution. It is two isolated steps that never truly works because there should be three connected steps. Information about the problem, a conversation about the problem, and the implementation of a solution. Step 1, a frustration or problem is communicated. Step 3, a solution is implemented. Between them is a conversation about the problem where both partners ensure that they both feel heard and agree on a solution. It is the connection bridge. It connects partner with partner and step 1 with step 3. Without it, there is a vacuum. With it, the solution and the relationship becomes more meaningful. Feeling heard while solving relationship problems is the bridge to lasting, meaningful solutions. Next time, before focusing on the solution, build the bridge. More about this on our website.